When we move on the next one, okay, consider the following statements here. Consider the following statements here. Okay, that statement 1, the Northwest frontier was a part of great game between the Britain and Russia. Second one is the Britain feared Russian influence in Afghanistan could threaten India. Okay, so the Northwest frontier was a part of the great game between Britain and Russia, and Britain feared Russian influence in Afghanistan could threaten India. So which of the following statements are correct in this particular context? So what do you think here? Now, here, you in the previous questions only what did we discuss? We discussed that yes, there was certain level of understanding here also that the Britishers wanted to take the control of NWFP. The reason was that they feared the British, they feared the Russian invasion at that point of time. Okay, so yes, the northwestern frontier, it was a part of the great game between Britain and Russia, and for this, the British feared the Russian influence in Afghanistan could be a threat to India. Okay, so the statement 2 is correctly explaining statement 1. Okay, so that is what we can understand here. So the answer here for 29 is A. Okay, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 2 rightly explains the statement 1. Okay, so that is going to be there. Now, when we talk on the next question,